It seems that most major manufacturers are getting lazy with their designs, and this now applies to Samsung more than ever before. Once a company devoted to innovation, sometimes to the point of producing gimmicks, the Korean tech giant has done little to shake up its smartphone game beyond its Z-series foldable lineup. In a tweet, @IceUniverse stipulates that nothing has changed except the chip with the S23 S23 Plus. The S23 Ultra will see some additional changes beyond its internals, namely in the screen and the main camera. Will this be enough, however? The general sentiment in the tech community is that smartphones have gotten a bit boring over the past couple of years. There is only so much hype the latest chips and a bigger megapixel count can muster. There is the occasional device that stirs things up a bit for a time, but both on Android's side and that of Apple. The vast majority of handsets are hardly revolutionary. Apple's latest iPhone 14 lineup proves this beyond a doubt. Admittedly, all four smartphones are excellent devices. But do they stand out in the sea of cookie-cutter slabs of glass? Not really. From an outsider's perspective, Samsung seems to have given up on conventional flagship smartphones. The company expects that its foldables will soon comprise the vast majority of its premium device sales. Nevertheless, recent numbers indicate that this might not exactly end up being the case. If Samsung wants to retain a respectable share of the premium smartphone market segment, it needs to do better than simply replace a couple of processors.